Hey, what's happening, guys? Let's take a look at this week's programming. Monday today, we're working up to a 1 rep max on front squats. So we've been really having some time to work through the big lifts last week and again this week for a few of them to get some 1 rep max, really move some weight. So moving up on that front squat today, and then moving into a pretty spicy little AMRAP. You got a 7-minute AMRAP, power cleans, and thrusters. Tough one, not a whole lot of place to hide on the movements. You got a nice pull push on it. Pretty classic CrossFit stuff on this one today with like a lighter weight is what we're looking for. Tuesday, going to kind of keep my my cards close to my chest here on this one. We have a CrossFit benchmark tomorrow. That is all we're going to be doing is the benchmark workout, and it's a good one. One of the classic CrossFit benchmark workouts tomorrow. All right, and then Wednesday, we're starting to get into a cycle where we're going to spend some dedicated time on skill work. We'll help you figure out what this is, but if you're watching this video, you can prepare ahead of time. Think about something you're working on, maybe something that you're close to having. With some dedicated skill time, you could potentially get or improve upon. I'm thinking things like gymnastics movements, or you can just be refining your Olympic weightlifting stuff. We'll help you on Wednesday, but get a chance to prepare for it now if you think ahead. Thursday, in the back squat cycle, still we're working up, not to a 1 rep max, but to 90%. So really getting some heavy weight moving this week on the back squat. And then we're going into a AMRAP, kind of medium duration, peppering in some Olympic lifts, like we did last week on that, some gymnastics movements with a chance to throw in some heavier weights with RX Plus on Thursday, if you can push the Olympic weightlifting movement there a little bit with good form. Friday, working up again with another one of the big lifts for a 1 rep max. So, like I said, cycling through the big stuff, it's great. Summertime's a good time for that for a bunch of different reasons that maybe I'll make another video on. And then moving into an EMOM where you get a chance to kind of get some local fatigue on the muscles and just some good solid work to close the week out. All right, guys, have a good week. We'll see you in the gym.